In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code folders for easy navigation. Organizing your digital space can dramatically increase your productivity, and applying specific colors to your folders not only makes your workspace look more appealing, but also helps you to swiftly locate important files, saving you time and reducing frustration. Let's get started. First, take a moment to identify the folder you wish to organize by color. This is your target folder, the one you frequently use, or perhaps one that holds essential documents that you need quick access to. Once you have decided on which folder needs a splash of color, navigate to it on your computer. Having a structured and well-organized filing system can greatly simplify managing your tasks and projects. With your chosen folder open, direct your attention to the top right corner. You should see an icon that looks like three little dots, often referred to as the More Options menu or an Overflow menu. It's quite common across various applications and websites, signifying additional features or settings you may want to explore. Go ahead and click on these three dots. Upon doing so, a drop-down menu will present itself, showcasing a variety of options you can choose from. Among these options, look for the one labeled Organize By or simply Organize. This section allows you to adjust certain aspects of your folder's appearance and organization, including, of course, the color coding. As you click on Organize, you'll notice a palette of colors displayed right in front of you. Each color may evoke a different emotion or represent different statuses or priorities, depending on how you'd like to use them. For instance, you might use red for urgent items, blue for ongoing projects, or green for completed tasks. The choice is entirely yours, and the goal is to make these colors work for you in a way that best suits your workflow. Select your preferred color by clicking on it. It's an intuitive, quick process, and almost instantly, the color of your folder will change to reflect your selection. This visual cue enhances your ability to find the right folder at a glance, especially when dealing with numerous folders at once. And just like that, you have successfully organized your target folder by color. You can repeat this process for other folders until your whole digital workspace is vibrant and systematically organized. Not only have you added a touch of personalization, but you've also equipped yourself with a powerful tool for keeping track of various projects and tasks with ease. Thank you for watching this tutorial on color coding folders for better navigation. I hope you find this method as helpful as I do. Feel free to try it out and see the difference it makes in your